The hydrologic cycle, Earth's vital water system. Let's explore the intricate and continuous movement of water on our planet, a journey vital to life and climate. The hydrologic cycle, also known as the water cycle, is an amazing process that keeps our planet thriving. All the water on Earth today, every drop, is all the water there has ever been on the planet. Fresh water is actually thousands of years old. The same water, flowing in a continuous loop, falling as rain and snow from clouds to the Earth's surface, running in rivers, pooling in ponds, flowing from faucets, irrigating crops, traveling through plants, generating power, eventually evaporating into the air and condensing into clouds again. The water cycle is fascinating. It's something that's around us all the time. From sky to earth. Our journey begins with the sun's warmth. As the sun heats up oceans, lakes, and even puddles, water turns into an invisible gas called water vapor and rises into the air. This is evaporation. Plants also contribute to the water cycle. They release water vapor through tiny pores in their leaves, a process called transpiration. Evapotranspiration is the combined process of transpiration and evaporation. It represents the total loss of water from the surface, including water bodies and plants, into the atmosphere. As the water vapor rises higher, the air gets colder, causing the vapor to transform back into tiny water droplets or ice crystals. These gather together to form clouds. That's condensation. When these water droplets or ice crystals get heavy enough, they fall back to the earth as precipitation, rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Some precipitation doesn't reach the ground directly. It might land on leaves, branches, or other surfaces, temporarily halting its journey. This is called interception. Water on the move. The water cycle is around us all the time and is a fascinating series of flows of water between various water storages. Precipitation that reaches the ground can collect in various ways. It might gather in puddles, flow into streams and rivers, or fill up lakes and oceans. This is collection. Runoff occurs when the ground is saturated or sloped. Water flows over the surface, creating runoff that contributes to streams, rivers, and ultimately the ocean. Some water seeps into the soil, a process called infiltration. This water can be used by plants or continue its journey downwards. As water moves deeper into the ground, it slowly filters through layers of soil and rock, a process called percolation. This water moves deep underground to refill aquifers, which are critical groundwater sources. Discharge is the natural flow of groundwater into rivers, lakes, and oceans. This important process helps maintain water levels in surface water bodies and supports aquatic life. Completing the cycle. Groundwater doesn't stay hidden forever. It can slowly seep out into springs, streams, and oceans, a process called discharge. This contributes to the continuous flow of rivers and replenishes surface water sources. And so the water cycle continues. The water that evaporated from the ocean, transpired from plants, or discharged from the ground is ready to embark on a new journey, starting with evaporation once again. Conclusion. Precipitation. Collection. Runoff. Interception. Infiltration. Percolation. Discharge. Transpiration. Evaporation. Evapotranspiration. Condensation. The water cycle. A dynamic and vital process, distributing water across the globe, supporting ecosystems and sustaining life. Understanding this cycle is key to appreciating and protecting this precious resource. Our water.